welcome to my channel. This is Ask Physio Elli. I hope you all had a great week and all had a chance to try out my first Tabata workout that was released 2 weeks ago. Now today I'm going to show you guys another Tabata workout, and it also lasts just 4 minutes and has 8 exercises. But this time all the exercises will be done on the mat and no jumping required. So remember what I said about Tabata last time, that it is a form of high intensity interval training, HIIT, that has been proven to burn calories quickly. It requires 20 seconds of all-out intensity followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated 8 times. So remember, all-out intensity means 100% maximum effort, your maximum effort for every exercise. So are you ready? Let's go!
So, Tabata on the mat. Here we go. 8 exercises, 20 seconds each exercise while on and 10 seconds off for rest. Up next, plank, arms in and out. So you can see that I am simply just moving my arms out and then bring them back in again. And this is a core strengthening exercise, so you really have to use your core when you're doing this. Let's take a break for 10 seconds. Get ready for our next exercise, plank, legs in and out this time. So it's very similar idea with the previous exercise. Instead of moving our arms, this time we're moving our legs. Simply out and then bring them back in again, using our core muscles again. Get ready. Up next we have easy burpees. So we're doing a simplified version of the burpee with no jumping required. Simply going to onto a high plank position first, and then back to a squat, and then heel lift. So instead of jumping, you're just lifting your heels off the mat. And rest again for 10 seconds. Then we're gonna get ready for our mountain climbers. Another great core exercise with some cardio components involved as well. Keep going, keep climbing. Now take a little break. And then let's get ready to go on to our side. We're going to do a side plank dip. You may start with the left side or the right side, doesn't really matter which side you start with first. As long as you switch side afterwards, then you'll be fine. And you can see that I'm working my core, especially the side component of our core muscle this time. Take a little break first, and then we're gonna switch over to the other side, the same exercise, side plank dip. Keep going. I'm with you guys, so just keep going, keep trying. Now we get to take a little break again and get ready for the next exercise, which is a static bear crawl. So get into the bear crawl position with our knees kind of lifted off the mat, just like 2 to 3 inches. And then we are simply just moving our legs instead of crawling forward, backward with our arms. So we're only moving our legs. And then our last exercise is the modified knee push-up. So make sure you engage your core to keep your bum down. So do not stick your bum out with this push-up exercise. And here we go. All done. Good job, everybody.
Wow, that was another 4 minutes intense workout. I hope everyone enjoyed this just as much as I do. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell too, so you will be the first ones to know when my next video would come out. Now, you may also want to check out my website here at www.C.E.S.PhysioRehab.com, and anyone who has any questions related to health, wellness, and exercises, feel free to comment down below or contact me directly. Otherwise, I will see you all next time.